Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we're diving deep into quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, 20th June 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked quantum computing as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.22. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 123.7% since we first listed quantum computing as a buy candidate 30 days ago. This translates to an average return of 4.12% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of continued growth within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is a potential for a change of approximately 105.89% over the next 3 months, suggesting a possible return that could range between 36.27% and 137.32%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 73.41%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 24.75% and positive 198.87% over the coming year. This translates to a future price anticipated to fall somewhere between $14.21 and $56.43. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline, Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price down 1.1% on Friday. The Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price fell by 1.1% on the last day, which was Friday, the 20th of June, 2025. It decreased from $19.09 to $18.88. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 8.02%, ranging from a low of $18.83 to a high of $20.34. The price has been quite volatile during this period, with a gain of 59.59% over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, volume decreased on the last day along with the stock, which is a positive indicator, as trading volume typically follows stock price trends. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 12 million shares, with a total of 32 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $606.4 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $27.15, while the lowest price was 35.5 cents. Currently, the stock price is 30.46%, or $8.27, below the 52-week high of $27.15, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Quantum Computing Incorporated, trading as QUBT, has been making significant waves in the tech sector recently. On the 17th of June, the company announced the successful shipment of its first commercial entangled photon source, a crucial component for advancing quantum networking and secure communications. This innovative leap not only highlights QUBT's commitment to groundbreaking technology, but also enhances its market position amidst increasing competition in the quantum sector. Moreover, QUBT's stock has surged by approximately 80% in just 1 month and over 3,000% year over year, reflecting the sector's growing momentum. Notably, statements from NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang have further intensified investor interest, signaling a favorable market shift toward quantum solutions. Analysts suggest that this type of high-profile endorsement can lead to sustained bullish sentiment in the short term. The current enthusiasm surrounding QUBT is likely to continue driving its stock price upward, particularly as quantum technology is viewed as reaching an inflection point. In the long term, as demand for quantum-compatible chips and innovative applications in artificial intelligence and cybersecurity expands, QUBT's ability to remain at the forefront of these advancements could solidify its role as a key player in the market, potentially translating to significant long-term stock appreciation. Investors watch closely as this technology continues to unfold on the global stage. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Ascendient assigned QUBT a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned quantum computing stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts rate the stock with a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. The stock of Quantum Computing Incorporated shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $18.88 and $12.44. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact the near short-term trajectory. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and since then, the stock has fallen by 11.03%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger has shown a buy signal 168 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 31 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 37 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $17.51 and $15.13. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. Quantum Computing Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $17.51. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $15.13 and $14.34. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be at very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.51 between its high and low, or 8.02%. In the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 13.32%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we'll discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for quantum computing is at $18.97. If you don't currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present a good opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, quantum computing encounters its first support level at $17.51. If this support level holds firm, it might be a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing from multiple analyst sources is a sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Christopher Bohnler, who bought and sold 351,152 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 23.393. In total, insiders purchased 59,270,819 shares and sold 4,162,921 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $17.82, reflecting a decrease of 5.60%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally favorable trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, June 23rd, we anticipate that Quantum Computing will open higher by 470 cents and start trading at $19.35. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.